Here's a test of Amolen. Pretty sure it's called Sedimentary rock. It's basically black and gray. Here's the benchy I printed. Came out perfect. And there's a snake I'm printing right now. So far, so good. I'm running it a little slower than I run the hyper, but I think I got it at 200 millimeters, maybe 300 a second, but I'm only running at 75%. Let me kick it up to 100 and see how. But so far, I haven't used this stuff much, but I'm pretty impressed with it. I thought it was going to be one of those ones where one side is one color, and you kind of have that a little bit, but it generally stays the same. And there's little speckles too in the gray. Really neat stuff. Printed a perfect benchy. Anyway, thanks for watching. Again, this is a Creality K1C, and that's a test on the Amolen Marble PLA. That's what it is. Sedimentary, whatever rock. I can't say it right now. Alright, thanks for watching.